Subtraction of fractions. Objective. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to subtract similar fractions, subtract dissimilar fractions, subtract mixed numbers, subtract a fraction from a whole number, solve problems involving fractions. Subtraction of fractions. Subtracting similar fractions. In finding the difference of two or more similar fractions, subtract the numerator and use the same denominator, then reduce the difference to lowest term whenever necessary. Examples. Subtract the numerator and use the same denominator. Reduce the difference to lowest term. Apply associative property, subtract the numerator and use the same denominator. Rewrite the improper fraction to mixed number. Subtracting dissimilar fractions. In finding the difference of dissimilar fractions, we can use two methods like in addition. Method 1, Least Common Denominator (LCD) method. Get the LCD of each fraction and make the fractions similar. Note, the LCD of the given fractions is the least common multiple (LCM) of the denominators of the given fractions. Examples. Solution. Get the equivalent fraction of each given fraction. The LCD of 8/9 and 2/7 is 63. Make the fraction similar by using the LCD 63 as the denominator. Get a new numerator by dividing the LCD to the previous denominator, then multiply to the old numerator. Method 2, Butterfly method. Note, this method is only applicable when subtracting two fractions. Examples. Solution. Subtract the cross product of two fractions 8 times 7 minus 9 times 2 equals 38 to get the numerator, then multiply the two denominators 9 times 7 equals 63 to get the denominator. Subtracting mixed numbers. In finding the difference of mixed numbers, subtract the whole numbers, then continue subtracting the fractions using one of the methods. First example. Subtract the whole and the fractions, then combine them. Reduce the answer in lowest term. You can also change the mixed number into improper fractions, then subtract using one of the two methods. Second example. Change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Subtract and express the answer in lowest term. Subtracting fraction to a whole number. In finding the difference of a whole number and a fraction, change the whole number into a fraction. Make a common denominator, then subtract. Example. Change the whole number into a mixed number. Form a common denominator to make the fractions similar. Subtract the numerator. Reduce the answer to lowest term if necessary. Let's practice. One day, Cahill spent 2.5 hours studying math and science. If he allotted 1 1/3 of an hour for math, and the rest for science, how long did he study for science that day? Answer: 1 1/6 of an hour. Did you answer them all correctly? Good job! Remember, always express your answer in lowest term.